AI and the legal dilemma, following the letter of the law or embracing the spirit of the law. Let's decode what AI might look like with the justice system. In the age of artificial intelligence, this discussion will explore how AI challenges traditional legal frameworks and ethical principles, how we might navigate this evolving landscape. To begin, let's define the terms. The letter of the law refers to the strict, literal interpretation of rules and regulations. It's about adherence to the exact wording. On the other hand, the spirit of the law embodies the intent behind those laws, the principles and the values they aim to uphold. Historically, societies have grappled with balancing these two approaches. But with the rise of AI, this balance is more precarious than ever. Why? Because AI operates on rules, algorithms, and data, making it inherently aligned with the letter of the law. AI systems are designed to follow instructions. They process inputs and deliver outputs based on programmed rules. For example, in legal tech applications, AI can review contracts, predict case outcomes, or even suggest sentencing guidelines. These capabilities are powerful, but they come with limitations. AI doesn't understand context, nuance, or intent the way humans do. It can't interpret the spirit of the law unless explicitly programmed to do so. This raises critical questions. What happens when AI enforces the letter of the law in ways that it violates its spirit? Consider an AI-driven traffic enforcement system. If it issues tickets for driving 1 mile an hour over the speed limit, it's adhering to the letter of the law. But most humans would agree that the spirit of the law is to ensure safety, not to penalize trivial infractions. Now let's flip the coin. The spirit of the law is about ethics, fairness, and justice. It's flexible and adaptive, relying on human judgment to apply laws in a way that aligns with their underlying purpose. AI, however, struggles here. It can't grasp the moral or ethical dimensions of a situation. For instance, an AI might flag a compassionate act, like a doctor bending rules to provide emergency care, as a violation of protocol. So, how do we embed the spirit of the law into AI systems? Bridging the gap requires innovation and collaboration. Here are 3 key approaches. Number 1, ethical AI development of the law. Politicians promise the spirit of the law when it passes, but some in the judicial system pride themselves on the letter of the law. Now that we have AI, and if humans pride themselves in the letter of the law, then why do we need humans in the judicial system? If AI is more aligned with the letter of the law, what am I saying here? Is that AI is going to push us to be more human and show more humanity in the world, where you do not want to blend in with computers and robots. Your value proposition is your humanness, your humanity.